Okay, so here's a quick video on the BOA L6 version. So to take this off, there's some videos on it already. I've actually already popped it, but just to give you another perspective, there's a, probably you can see there's a little arrow tab there. See that little pointer? That's where you get your tool. I just have a regular spatula pry bar here. You can just push in. You push in on that shoulder of the button. As you push it, it will pop up and lift off. So it's a pretty quick thing to do. This is already loose. So the problem that I have here is that I can't get these the lace wire to come out. No matter what I try, it's somehow stuck in there. And the problem is the knot is somehow tangled in that hole, so I can't get it out. So what I've discovered is if I pry off this plastic piece carefully, I can take off the mechanism and reveal the wire. So let's do that carefully. This is a really skinny pry tool. Just stick it in under and carefully lift. See here the pop? Okay. So then got one side, let's do the other side. Okay. So it's got a peg, it's got some lubrication in there. Just put that aside. You can see there it exposes, and I can easily get access to these cables, and there's a knotted end which are kind of locked into a hole inside there. So that's all you need to do. Just pull that out, and then the other videos, and there's a lot of instructions on YouTube here how to reinsert the cables, and then just pop this retaining clip back in. Okay, so that's it.